Every time I'm always bringing out new recipe. Okay, this particular one will help you to look very young, to have a fresh skin. Like, the ingredients are purely natural. You just need to get it, try it for yourself, and thank me later. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty treatments using natural ingredients to make you achieve great results. You can check my old videos back. You will see that I'm looking far younger than my age, though you may not know my age, but I'm looking fresher as the year goes. So the ingredients are mine, very good and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Like, this is something that will erase signs of aging gradually. You have to be consistent. Of course, the natural ingredients needs consistency to get perfect results. So consider subscribing to this channel. Do not forget to give my video a thumbs up, give it a like, and there's a bell beside the subscribe button. Please turn it up so that whenever I upload videos, you will get to see and come and watch. May God bless you. So the first ingredient I added is cornstarch. This is not my first time of showing cornstarch, but it depends on other ingredients. That is why I say this is a different recipe. Cornstarch is very good at firming. Like, if you have recently started noticing some sagginess of your skin, here is dropping down, or this area is looking loose, or you have started having some fine lines, laugh lines, this may be as a result of stress or premature aging. Please grab these ingredients, okay, especially this cornstarch. Cornstarch contains powerful antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. Please try to get it. You will love it. Like, you will love it. In case you have severe oily skin, like your skin is bringing out so much sebum, bringing out so much oil, please try to get cornstarch. You will love it. It will help to trap it, like grab it out and minimize so much oil on the skin. You will love it. So the next one is oat powder. I can't say this enough. Oat powder I love so much. Oat powder or oat flour, they're all the same. Get it from the supermarket. It helps greatly, like it exfoliates the skin to get rid of dead skin cells, revealing a bright uniform skin that glows. And also it renews the skin to bring out freshness, a new freshness to the skin, helping to brighten the skin in a very natural way, of course. Brightening the skin, erasing signs of aging gradually, and it works. If you desire to have a supple skin, think of oat powder. If you want to thicken the skin, to have a supple younger skin. Another ingredient you can use in exchange of oat powder is rice powder, but they are not really all the same, okay? So the next one is aloe vera. I always use the cosmetic type. Does not mean that you cannot make use of any other type. Aloe vera helps to keep the skin hydrated for those that have dry skin. Of course, dry skin is not a good thing. Dry skin will make you age faster. Like, if you have severe dry skin, those ones that have flaky dry skin, they don't moisturize the skin. Please try to get this, add it into this ingredient, thank me later. So another benefit of aloe vera is that it's a treatment. It repairs the skin, rejuvenates the skin, revealing a new skin that glows, a younger skin, of course. So the last one is baby oil. Yes, please get baby oil. If you don't have baby oil, you can get vitamin E oil. All these oils are awesome. They will nourish your skin, renew the skin, plump your skin, repair your skin, make you look younger, and moisturizing your skin as well. So if you don't have it, baby oil, get vitamin E oil, argan oil, sunflower oil, which other one? There are some light oils that are penetrating, rosehip oil. Alright, so after getting all these ingredients, it's time to tell you the right way to measure them rightly. This is very important. I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I added 1 tablespoon of oat powder. Then I went ahead to add 1 full tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and I didn't stop there. Then I went to add few drops of oil, just few drops. In case you have severe dry skin, please, you can increase it to half teaspoon. So after that, you mix it together thoroughly. If your remedy is thick, after mixing, please increase the quantity of aloe vera gel. If your remedy is watery, please increase the quantity of oat powder or any of the powders, of course. So I'm going to go right now to apply this treatment on a washed, clean skin. You know, you need to clean off makeup, wash your face thoroughly. This treatment will be able to penetrate well and work better. So my face is out of makeup, okay? I don't have dirt. All I have to do right now is to damp it. You don't want to apply remedy on a dry skin. Just wet it, damp it. This is a wipes, okay? A wipe. Just wet it somehow. Then using your hand or with the help of a brush, just go on and apply it under your eye, everywhere. This is very good under your eye. This is a perfect treatment, very mild, like I said earlier. It's not harsh in any way. So if you say your skin does not tolerate aloe vera, for some people their skin does not tolerate or accept aloe vera, other ingredients will make it able to tolerate. So go on and apply. Please do not forget your neck area. When you take care of your face, always remember your neck area, please. It has to be uniform. Of course, these are things that people does not know. It's a secret that I must share with you. Whenever you're applying your facial cream, think of your neck. Both of them need to work together. You don't want to have a face with no wrinkle and having a wrinkle on your neck. It will not rhyme. There are some people that their face will be very bright and their neck is dark, very dark. Please try to remember your neck. So you can also apply this treatment all over your body to nourish, to plump, to make it firmer. Another thing is what you take inside. I have very good supplements that when you take it inside, it keeps your skin hydrated, supple, younger, beautiful, and glow. You need to glow, okay? All right, so I'm going to leave this treatment for 15-20 minutes, but you can leave it on 5-10 minutes if you like, but sometimes I leave it on longer, depending on you. So the more you leave it on, the more you'll be feeling the tightening effect as it's dry. This is to show you that it's time to wash it out. So I'll leave it on for some time. Go wash it out. I'll be right back. Stay tuned, please. So when you apply this treatment and rinse it out, okay, at the right time, if you notice that your skin will feel very smooth, soft, and that is because you just treated it. You just applied a facial mask, right? So consistency, you will see that your skin will be looking better, no more dryness. Like gradually, those fine lines, signs of aging will be getting rid of. Those flakiness, dry skin and all that will be getting rid of. Your skin will be well renewed, supple, younger and glowing. Alright, so just apply this treatment 3 times weekly and you're all good. Be consistent, please, for best results. So make sure you apply a light moisturizer after any facial treatment like this. This is a foundation, of course. You need a moisturizer on your face. Get a good skincare product like the one I have. Okay, I have a very good skincare product that I make. Contact me through that WhatsApp and I'll give you what will suit your skin, what will make you look younger than your age. Just tell me what you want and I'll give you the best. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share and like this video. I'll see you next time.